Hello, everyone, and welcome. To the class of 2027, we're very happy to have you here. You made a great choice. You're joining a school that's going to push you to challenge your own assumptions and to grow in ways that you won't expect. Believe us, we understand the chaos of starting over and beginning a journey in a new place. Adjusting to a new country and a new way of life takes time. There are going to be tiny things about Germany and about Erfurt that are going to drive you crazy. Whether it's cafes that only take cash, or stores that close at 8 p.m., or the outrageous amount of paperwork it takes to do basically anything. Some people might tell you to be grateful and to accept things the way that they are. But honestly, don't feel pressured to love everything about your new environment. Complain a little, question things. You're studying public policy. You're being trained to identify problems and think critically about them. Your fresh perspective is valuable, even in these little everyday moments.
We would also like to tell you this, the secret ingredient to life at Brandt School. Sorry to say it's not coursework, sorry professors, but it's the people you're stuck with for the next 2 years. The Brandt School is not just a program. It's a mix of personalities, cultures, disciplines, and experiences. You're surrounded by people who have worked in governments, NGOs, tech companies, grassroots organizing, and much more. And some of it you may have never heard of before. So, uh, let that diversity shape you, listen to the stories behind the accents, and pay attention to how differently people solve problems. Notice the ways your classmates' perspectives change you. Some of the most transformative movements will happen outside the classroom. It will happen in late night group works and the meltdowns you will have along with it. WhatsApp debates, and even those unexpected conversations with your shy classmates. This community is chaotic in the best way possible. Dive into it, make most out of it. It might feel overwhelming sometimes. Be open to it, and it is one of your greatest assets. Treat it with curiosity.
Our final advice to you is to show up, not just for your classes, but also in the life of the school. A lot of the magic of the Brown School happens in the events that bring us together. The Cafe Nelly informal gatherings, the Cafe International events you didn't plan to go for, but somehow end up staying for hours, the after-work trivia nights where you finally get to beat your professor who has been stressing you out with presentations and assignments. These moments make the community feel real. They are where friendship forms. They are where ideas get exchanged and where you feel like you belong. When you show up, even for something small, you give yourself a chance to build the kind of connections that make this place feel like home. And those connections matter. They are the people who help you with your tough assignments, the people who you speak to when you're stressed, and the people who celebrate your wins and remind you of why you came here in the first place. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is a shameless plug by the student government to invite you to attend the events we organize. And while we're at it, we encourage you to join the student government. Be a voice for your newfound community and champion the change that you want to see. The next 2 years will stretch you, frustrate you, and excite you. It will open doors for you that you did not even know existed. It will shape you into a person you didn't even know you could be, and it would open your mind in ways you didn't even think were possible. And when it feels overwhelming, and it most likely will, lean on each other. Remember that you are part of a community that wants to see you succeed. Class of 2027, welcome to your new chapter.
Sorry, something's in my throat today. Thank you very much. for those wonderful words. Take them to heart. And I guess I'm now standing between you and the drinks. So I would very much like to invite you to join some more informal conversations with all of us, to mingle and to essentially have a wonderful evening. Again, welcome to the school, class of 2025-27. And we're all looking forward to working with you, to spending lots of evenings with you, and to doing all the things that make the Brandt School a great place. Enjoy your evening, and thank you very much for coming. Thank you.